Hello everyone, I am Srikakulam from GMRITIAN'S Institute of Technology, specialized in information technology. So today I and my friend came here to explain our idea about named as Food for All. So the role in this project is I am a team leader and Android developer.
Myself, Sai Kiran. I am also an Android developer. I am pursuing my BTech at GMR Institute of Technology, specialized in information technology.
So when coming to the problem statement, the problem statement what we are doing, what we are dealing is, as we know that India is the second most populous country, and we are having a population of 1.3 billion. But when coming to hunger index, we know that hunger deaths are many more in our country because of because of a food. When coming to the real time example, we can analyze that many people are undernourished. No, many people are not having a food. What we noticed is when coming to function halls or any functions or restaurants, most of the food is wasted. So we took the problem statement from the real time example. So when coming to the gap analysis, according to the FAO, many people are undernourished because of many people are not even having a food to eat. So this is the main problem, even what we explained. So many million people are undernourished in India. And when coming to the use case, the solution and use case what we are doing is users or donors can donate the food and they can celebrate their occasions or anything. They just what they have to do is they should give the address and food details, and once it is given, volunteers get notified and they will be going to that place and they will be taking the food and distributing to the poor and needy. So this is the solution and use case. And
And these are the target customers. Like the food for all will be used based all these customers since households, restaurants, hostel mess, and event managers. Like this is the main places where the food gets wasted in a larger amount. So like we can use food for all at these places. So coming to the benefits to the customer, see, like food wastage can be avoided, and what we like by donating the food, like the donors will get the self satisfaction, like they were giving food to the poor people, so they will be getting some self satisfaction, and we can eradicate the deaths caused due to hunger also, and we can eradicate the chronic diseases caused due to hunger. So that are the benefits caused. And uniqueness or key feature. The main uniqueness or key feature for the food for all we have identified is nearby NGOs. Like I think we know, like we hardly know about the nearby NGOs. Like so, by using food for all, we can donate the food. Like due to some time constraint, we couldn't go to the nearby NGO and we couldn't and directly donate the food. But here, food for all, we can simplify it. Like by giving, by like in the place of volunteer will be coming to our home and he will be picking up the food and will be sent directly to the NGO or the nearby poor people. And donors can donate money. Like we all think like we need to celebrate our occasions in or birthdays or marriages in the NGOs itself, but we couldn't donate. So we can directly donate the money in the Food for All app. So like we'll be sending the money to the NGOs or the poor people, so they can have it. And like Food for All has an exclusive feature, like we'll be concentrating on the safety of the volunteer itself. And this is the process flow diagram. This is the master plan behind the Food for All app. Here, first, initially the donor will be submitting the food details in the app itself. When he clicked on the submit button, a notification will be generated and it will be sent to all the NGOs and all the volunteers who are registered in the app itself. So the volunteers, what the volunteers will be doing is they will be choosing the food details as per the address. Like the, for example, the volunteer address is nearby to the donor's address. Like the volunteer will book the food details and he will be going to the donor and he will be picking up the food and will be sent to the NGO or the nearby poor people lying on the roads or any bridges, flyovers. Okay, and this is a process flow diagram. And coming to the prototype, what we have developed, this is the mobile application which we have developed. Coming to the first screenshot, this is the home page, and these are the menu. Like celebrate your occasion, your donations, nearby NGO. You can check the nearby NGOs itself, and the recipients and about. And this is like the second screenshot which we are screening is the home page of the app. So we can have the main app is dependent on the both two options like the donate food and volunteer, and the last two screens like these are the volunteer login and the donate food. Like the donate food will be the place where the donor will be submitting the food details. Okay, And the first screenshot which you are seeing is this is the notification, like what it will be have. Then this is the notification which will be sent to all the users of the app when a food detail has been submitted by the particular donor. And the second screenshot is the celebratory occasion. So when we are going to celebrate the occasion, the NGO or some old age homes, this is the page they will be submitting, and your donations count with the help of the phone number of the donor. We can see how much donations have been done by the particular donor. And finally, and we as we specified before that, like we'll be concentrating on the volunteer safety. So by clicking on the contact police button, there will be sent a message will be sent in the backend to the particular police station. So the police station will take care of the volunteer. This is the home page for the Food for All Android app. So here we now I'm going to donate food. So I'll click on the donate food button, and I'll clicking on a donor name, and I'm giving my name, and my phone number is very important since we are going to validate the phone number of the donor. And I'm giving my address like Kakinada. The address need to be very specific since the volunteer need to like come to a place, right? So food can feed. Like I have a food sufficient to 20 people, so I'm giving us 20. And the cook before, like the food is very perishable, right? So the food cooked after 6 hours is not good for consuming. So that's the reason we have limited to only 4 hours. And I'm clicking on 3 hours, and I'm choosing the type of, like I can myself it is a house. We can donate food either of the place, like it can be a restaurant, commercial place, or house or function. So I'll be clicking, and I'm clicking on submit details button. See, after clicking on submit button, OTP will be sent to the donor phone number. We will be validating the donor whether he is a valid donor or not. Okay, I have gotten OTP 982793. See, I can get directly from here. I am clicking on that, and I am clicking on validate OTP. So when clicking on validate OTP, it will be checked on server side whether the donor is valid or not. If it is okay, it will be showing a thank you for donation message, and simultaneously a notification will be sent to all users like who have the Futura Lab app got installed. This is the notification specifying all the parameters which I have given as a donor. So that's all about it. Thank you.